PWM12V220V Module Design Guide. Note, this is not a tutorial. This design is based on SG3525-based PWM generator module. In my project I used the ENA 219 shunt resistor module with the Nano 328 board. Sold on AliExpress as the DC12V to AC 220 volts module can be called different names. Titled as Boost Converter, Power Supply Module, even Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter Board, and many more names. If you Google the 12V to 220V module, you will see how many variations exists. Some modules have 2 MOSFET, some have 4. With heat sinks or without. Power declared as 100 watts, 150 watts, 500 watts. Most of the modules have the SG3525 PWM generator and the transformer. This cheap 12V to 220V module generates the pulse width modulated signal and can be used only with the 220V lights. You cannot use it with motors or designed for pure sine wave appliances. This is a very simplified setup for my project. Car battery supplies 12 volts. Arduino Nano constantly reads the current and voltage from ENA 219 sensor. This ENA 219 sensor uses I2C bus to communicate with Nano. The blocker for 5 volts relay connects or disconnects the 12 volts to SG3525 module. When system starts, it checks up the voltage and current. The system has different states. Each state has its own code. If car battery voltage drops below 12 volts, the load will be disconnected. If the load current limit will be reached, the load will be disconnected. I start to switch the 220 volts bulbs on one by one. For testing reasons, I limit the current to 800 milliamps. When this limit reached, load will be switched off and the current drops back to 377 milliamps. Nano will reconnect the load 3 times. After that, system will go into disconnected mode and the SG3525 module will be disconnected from the power. SSD 1306 display will show message, overload is detected. Fix the problem and reboot. Thank you for watching.